Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Instacart shopper app not working. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is head over and open up your app store and then tap on the search icon on the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on the search bar. Type in Instacart and then once the app loads, tap on the app. And now here check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. But for some reason, if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you need to do is go back to your home screen, then tap on the settings, and once you're inside your settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Now once you're inside your general, tap on iPhone storage. Now once you're inside your iPhone storage, what you need to do is scroll all the way down until you find the Instacart app and then tap on it. Now on tapping, you'll find two options, that is offload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app, and what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches which is present in the app that might be causing the issues that you are facing. Now once that's done, all you gotta do is go back and then try again. That will fix your issue. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.